Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you another way to use the Breeze dehydrator. I'm going to take some fresh garlic and turn it into garlic powder. Garlic powder is an awesome way to boost flavor instantly in all sorts of dishes. If you grow your own garlic at home and you've got too much of it on your hands, then why don't you have a go at dehydrating it and turning it into garlic powder. Making your own garlic powder at home is preservative free, and that's just one great reason to give this one a go for yourself. Grab yourself about 10 heads of garlic and I'll show you how to do it. The process is really simple for this one. All you need to do is peel and chop your garlic cloves and lay them onto your dehydrator trays. You don't have to be too precious about keeping the cloves nice and perfect. I give them a bit of a squish to just separate the skins so that they come off easier. As long as you chop them evenly at the end, then they'll dehydrate really nicely. Once all your garlic cloves have been peeled, you can go ahead and slice them really nice and thin to make sure that they dehydrate well. Lay all of your garlic slices out onto your trays. We're going to use the silicone mats today so that they don't fall through. We can get the dehydrator on now. The smell of the garlic while it's dehydrating can be really overwhelming, so you might actually think about putting it down in the garage next to a window maybe. Our garlic has been on for 8 hours now, so I'm going to see how it looks. This is nice and snappy now, which is how I can tell that it's done. If it was still a little bendy, then I might put it on for another 2 hours. I'm going to get this straight into the Vibe blender jug. I'm going to use the stainless steel blender jug today. So we can go ahead now and blend this up on nut mode for around 30 seconds or until you have a really nice fine powder. This looks really good now. It's a nice fine powder, and all we need to do now is get it into a nice clean, dry jar. There are so many things that you can do with garlic powder. You can make your own garlic salt, use it to flavor your burger patties, make your own spiced seasonings. Check out the blog for more information on how to use it and store it. We hope you liked this video. Give it a like if you did. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.